Welcome back to our series on moving from America to Spain with SDC International Shipping. After helping companies relocate employees to Spain for years, we've noticed something interesting. Successful relocations all share a few common characteristics. First, they start early, they communicate early, and they work with experienced partners. The earlier a company begins planning, the more options they have available. Clear communication helps employees understand what to expect and reduces uncertainty throughout the process. And experienced relocation partners help prevent costly mistakes before they happen. The reality is that international relocation is not just a logistic project, it's a people project. When employees arrive feeling supported, prepared, and confident, they're much more likely to succeed in their new role and adapt quickly to life in Spain. That's the outcome every company wants, and that's exactly why SDC International Shipping works to deliver. From packing and transportation to custom clearance and final delivery, we help companies and employees navigate every step of the relocation process. If you're planning a move from the United States to Spain, visit our website, movertospain.com, or give us a call, 844-651-7050, and speak with a relocation specialist today.